Read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. Students at a local middle school are completing an assignment debating ways in which schools can deal with the growing dropout rates in the U.S. The following selection presents arguments from two middle school students. Now you are required to read the text independently. Why does Caden mention the law passed in California in paragraph 6? To show that all students are created equal. B, to suggest that college athletes deserve to be paid. C, to add support for his claim that students should be paid to attend school. Or D, to imply that students should wait until college to be paid. You may pause this video at any time if you need to go back and hear the questions and answers again. Number 2. Both Caden and Gabriella agree that F, teachers need to be paid more. G, students struggle with motivation. H, paying students to attend school is a good idea. Or J, all students will benefit from earning money for grades. Number 3. In paragraph 10, Gabriella most likely includes questions in her argument because she wants to A, stress the importance of solving the problem with dropout rates. B, emphasize the potential issues with paying students to attend school. C, illustrate how schools would no longer function if students were paid. Or D, describe why students do not want to be paid for their attendance. Again, you may pause this video and go back if you need the questions and answers repeated or directions. Now we'll move on to the fourth portion, which includes a written response. Read the following selection and choose the best answer for each question. 2 8th grade students from student council wrote their principal hoping they could break the tie to determine the location for the 8th grade graduation trip. The following letter is from student council vice president. Use Jeff and Kennedy's letter to answer the following questions. Think about a conversation you have had when you tried to convince someone to do something. What strategy did you use for persuasion during this conversation? And what was your purpose for using that specific strategy? Use text evidence from the conversation to support your ideas. This is the end of the Read Aloud video for your formative assessment for today. Your argument answer text